Guys, so today's video is going to be fun, interesting, and exciting. So if you like that type of video, give this video a thumbs up. Hey guys, so if you're new here, my name is Cabernet, or also known as Cab here on YouTube, from Whitaker's Way, and I live here in Japan, my local Daiso. And this is going to be a DIY in collaboration with Foolish Mama D and Ria from Ria's World of Ideas. I'll leave all their information in the playlist in the description box down below, so make sure to check them out. And if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe and let them know that I sent you. Just in case you cannot comment on this video, if you like this type of video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss another video. Now, I really was inspired when I looked at Ria's World of Ideas video, and I'm gonna do a DIY similar to hers because it was that inspiring, and it's gonna be Rae Dunn inspired. So if you like Rae Dunn and you like farmhouse kitchen decor, keep on watching and watch this DIY. So first of all, I want to show you everything that I got from the Daiso at the Dollar Tree, and it was under $5. These candles are not supposed to be included with this DIY, but I might have to add it in because they just smell so good, and then later on I might switch it out with actual flowers because I didn't have enough money to incorporate the flowers with this flower pot. So this might be a DIY with candles. The candles come with only 2, so one will be missing one, but that will be perfectly fine. So I have 3 flower pots, paintbrush string to wrap around, and some white paint. Now I probably had some white paint already in the house, but just in case, just so I don't have to like search and look inside of my husband's art box, I just went ahead and bought some white paint just so I had it on hand. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be painting all of the pots white. As my kids say, I got an idea. By the way, there's going to be a playlist down below if you want to see some more DIYs and with some other ladies who also were a part of this challenge. So don't forget to check out the playlist in the description box of this video, and thumbs up the videos and let them know that I sent you if you're from my channel, or if you're from their channel, hello. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and charge my camera. I don't know what I was thinking, and I'll be back soon. Hey guys, since I couldn't find a template online for the exact words that I needed, grow, sprout, bloom, my husband is an artist and he was able to help me with this part. But if you're looking for a printout of some letters from Rae Dunn, I'll leave that link below, where Ria's World of Ideas has one right on her page. For me in Japanese, so it will say grow, sprout, and bloom, and this is going to be another DIY, and you'll see how I incorporate this whole entire sign in my kitchen. But these little pots will also have the kanji or the Japanese writing on it as well. So I thought that would be cool. So if I ever get tired of looking at sprout in English, I can turn it over to the Japanese side, and yeah, we can get familiar with some Japanese. Alright, just using a black Sharpie. You can use whatever kind you want, but you want the words to be kind of thin, like the actual Rae Dunn. And this just came from the Daiso here in Japan, and I love how thin that S already is showing up, so that's perfect for the Rae Dunn look. Here's where I'm going to add the string to wrap around the top part of the flower pot. and just keep watching and you'll understand how I'm wrapping it around. I wish I had a hot glue gun for this part because it would have made it a lot easier, but what I ended up doing was tucking it into the string around the back side that no one would see. But later on I may go out and buy or find my glue gun so that it can be stable. Sprouting out, and maybe some yellows over here. And if you want them to be a little bit higher than this, then you can stuff some tissue. Oh, that looks fine. Maybe like a small one is blooming. Right there in my kitchen, or I was thinking about right here, but I might add some more farm style stuff right here to change my whole look of my kitchen. And another way you could do this is what I actually purchased candles for the ones on the side. So you could put a candle either beside it or inside it, which I like better. Let me know if you can comment on this video if you like this idea of the Rae Dunn inspired Grow Sprout Bloom or Sprout Grow Bloom. And if you're not able to comment, please let me know on Instagram. I do have this posted on my Instagram page at Whitaker's Way. So thank you so much for watching. So much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to check out the playlist link below. Bye guys.